The killdeer, known scientifically as Killdeers vociferus, is a charismatic and adaptable bird found across North and South America. Recognized for its distinctive appearance and behavior, the killdeer is characterized by its brownish plumage, double black breast bands, and a unique habit of feigning injury to distract predators from its nest. Thriving in a variety of habitats, from grasslands to shorelines, this bird is a ground-nesting species. Join us as we explore the fascinating world of the killdeer, appreciating its clever adaptations and the vital role it plays in the ecosystems it inhabits. The tapping or trembling of their feet during is a way to draw attention to their injured state, simulating vulnerability to predators. This behavior is a clever and effective means of protecting their nests by leading predators away, giving the eggs or chicks a better chance of survival. Once the perceived threat has been lured away, the killdeer often recovers quickly and resumes its normal behavior. It's an impressive example of parental instinct and adaptation in the wild. Thank you for joining us on this enchanting journey through the wetlands with the incredible killdeers. If you enjoyed witnessing their agile search for food and playful antics, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more captivating glimpses into the natural world. Share your thoughts in the comments below, and until our next adventure, stay connected with the wonders of wildlife. Happy birdwatching!